today I'm gonna show you guys how to make some awesome homemade tortillas. This recipe is so good and I can't wait to share it with you. The first thing you want to do is take some sweet potatoes and get them in the oven on 400 degrees for about an hour. Some people do them less, but an hour works perfect so they're nice and soft. Then you're going to want to mix it in a bowl. Now I made a triple batch here, but the ratio is 1 cup of your choice of flour to 1 cup of sweet potato. Or you could also use any type of squash as well, but sweet potato is the only one I've tried so far and it is so good. The great thing about this recipe is for gluten-free or whatever kind of flour you want to use, it's awesome because it's still going to work out perfect for you. So it's great that you can customize it exactly to what fits your diet. Now as you're mixing, if you need to add a little bit more flour, then that's totally fine. You just want the consistency to be not too sticky. So here's a picture of how it should look for you. I like to use einkorn flour for whenever I cook. And then also you're going to take your flour and heavily coat your countertop. And I find that it's much better to use a generous amount of flour when it comes to making tortillas. I've made the mistake of not using enough and then they crack. So just use enough flour and roll it in a ball. And I like to do my tortillas about 1/4 inch thick. I find that's the best for me because they cook well and they aren't too thin or too thick. But it's nice because you can customize it to fit your need, whatever you like it to be. I forgot to mention that make sure you get your skillet preheated while you're rolling out your tortillas. And then once you place your tortilla on the skillet, you just watch for little air bubbles underneath and then you flip it. It's about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes on each side is what I find, but I just watch for it and then I flip it. And this tool here, I really love this tool. It's great for flipping them. So something like that works out perfect. And then you're just gonna do one tortilla at a time. What I like to do is I just roll out one while the other one's cooking. Instead of making a huge stack all rolled out, I just do one at a time and it seems to work out great that way. Let me know if you try these tortillas and how you like them in the comments below.